Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Muli. Today's date is 1st of December 2021 and today's our discussion topic is discussion about the sorting techniques and uh, its use according to their space and time complexity. So now we will discuss about our today's topic. Before discussing our today's topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kolam district, Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from G.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagholi, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Swedish College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about our today's discussion topic, that is the sorting techniques and its uh, sorting techniques depend on its space and time complexity. So firstly we will see what is sorting. Sorting means arrangement of data in an array according to the ascending order or descending order. That means the sorting. Now we will talk about the four sorting techniques, that is the bubble sort, insertion sort, then the merge sort and the quick sort. So firstly we will see about the real life example of that sorting techniques, that is the bubble sort. In an queue, if there are 10 students are there and the students are arranged according to their heights, means the students with less with more height goes at last, and the student with height is less comes at first. That's about the example of that bubble sort. Means each student is shifting towards the towards last according to their height, or the student with less height shifted to the first. Like that bubble sort is also work. And now we will see about the second type, that is the insertion sort. We know about the card, means we can arrange cards by just removing card and put in that particular place, means between that two cards we can put that cards. That's the example of that insertion sort. Means remove cards and insert card in that particular place, somewhat like that the insertion sort will be work. Now we will see about the merge sort. merge sort is used Merge sort is used to sorting of an array list, like that. And now we will see about the last example of that sorting techniques, that is the quick sort. Quick sort is works based on the divide and conquer method. Means if we take an example of the groceries, we can divide groceries according to their non-veg groceries are different, and then veg groceries are different, and then non-veg groceries are again divided into the according to the price we can sort it, and the veg groceries are sorted according to their price, and then we can combine all with the ascending order of the price from veg to non-veg, somewhat like that the quick sort will be sorted. Now that's all about that sorting techniques. Now we will see about the which sorting technique is best or which sorting technique is worst. So if we talk about the sorting techniques, the bubble sort is one of the worst sorting techniques for sorting of an elements of an array. Or if we talk about the best sorting techniques are they depend on the application where we can use that sorting techniques. The insertion sort, merge sort or quick sort will be used. Means according to the application the best technique is used. So that's about the insertion sort. Now we will see about the time and space complexity of the sorting techniques. This time and space complexity of the sorting techniques will be depend on the big O complexity. It can be achieved that time and space complexity according to the big O notification, that is the big O by using the big O complexity. So firstly we will see what is big O complexity and how it will be divided. So firstly we will see O of 1, means the data is added, then the time and the complexity will be somewhat similar, that is the O of 1. And now we will see second, that is O of n, means the complexity will be increases linearly. That's the meaning of that O of n. Now we will see O of n square, means the complexity will be increases polynomially, means the data or the loops added, the complexity will be increases polynomially. That's the O of n square. Now we will see O of 2n, means the complexity will be doubled if we data added or the loops are added in the particular sorting techniques. And now we will see the next complexity, that is the O of n of exclamation mark, means the sorting technique, if the data or the loops added, then the sorting technique will be growth exponentially grows That's the meaning of that sorting techniques. Means the data and loops are added, the complexity will be increases exponentially. Now we will see the last complexity technique, that is the O of log of n. Means the data or tables are added in the particular sorting techniques, then the uh, logarithmically the complexity will be added. So that's all about our today's topic. So thank you.